Hey guys, what is up? It's W's biggest fan 1997. Come back at you with another video. And in this video, opening SummerSlam 2021. And I did get this off of Amazon. I already unboxed it because, yeah, it sounds like the disc is loose.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
So, yeah, from now on, I'm probably gonna get these from Walmart instead. And just, sometimes I've had the Walmart I've been going to, I have trouble finding the newer WWE DVDs, so I had to find another Walmart to try. But yeah, I don't like getting them offline because every time I get them offline, sometimes they come loose and I don't like it. I'm just trying to be careful. So yeah, let's together see how this disc looks. Excuse my language. Yeah, I gotta get that clean. Crap. Fuck. Yeah, you can see like scratches, like, dang, it really got pretty scratched up right there. It makes me so mad. Oh, sweet. Roman Reigns. I know, he just looks like discolored in this card. But I think that's because, like, lights are on him. Like a spotlight's on him. But yeah, that's an awesome card. Wreck everyone and leave. Roman. Put that right there. Oh, just fell. Pick it back up. There we go. SummerSlam 2021. Second disc. Didn't come loose. But the first disc came loose. See, that looks clear. No scratches. SummerSlam 2021. I was lucky enough to get to see this, not live, but on the big screen in the movie theater with my wife. It was our anniversary present, our anniversary gift. We did that together for our anniversary. I marked out when Lesnar returned after the John Cena Roman match, which was really good. I love this WrestleMania. I said WrestleMania. I love this SummerSlam. My bad. I love this SummerSlam. It was really good. It had a WrestleMania feel to it. Goldberg and Bobby Lashley, that match is crap. Even though this shouldn't have happened, Becky beating Bianca Belair the way she did, that shouldn't have happened. That was garbage. And on the cover you got Roman, Cena, Edge, Bianca Belair, Nikki Ash, ASH, Almost Superhero, Rhea Ripley, Bobby Lashley, the WWE Champion, which is no more. Big E's the WWE Champion now. He cashed in his Money in the Bank a couple weeks after SummerSlam on Bobby. Goldberg, Charlotte Flair, and Seth Rollins. And on the back, it spoiled Lesnar's return. I wish it didn't do that. Yeah, sweet. Pretty cool. I like the clear case they put this in the spine. You have Roman on there. I like that spine. And John Cena. It's really cool. And then the disc art is just pink and blue with stars on them. Pretty cool, I guess. I wish they would have done, like, since it's a clear case, inside artwork. That would have been cool. Yeah, SummerSlam 2021. I will definitely give this a review in the future, and I plan on giving Money in the Bank a review. Probably gonna rewatch that. It's been a while. Money in the Bank 2021. Okay, sweet guys. That's probably gonna do it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed. Please drop a comment, like, and make sure to subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate all the support, and I promise I'll be back at you with more videos to come real soon. Thanks for watching, guys.